Yo, let me see that ring though. Damn.
That, you know how it is when you have to be out here hustling and working. Sometimes you fools be rolling up on you.
Hustling Hyena Clay! What is going on, my hard-working, forever hustling gig economy drivers? It's Tony, your Hustling Hyena, and today is day number 27! Day number 27 of trying to save $12,000 to $15,000 for a Turo car. I currently have no orders.
Ah, here we go again.
How you guys doing over there? I've been waiting at the Walmart parking lot for about 30 minutes. I was hoping to get an order for 12 o'clock, but nothing came from Spark and nothing's coming from Instacart. But I've been watching The Last of Us on HBO through my phone, which has been pretty cool. Let me know if you guys watch shows. Usually I watch a lot of YouTubers while I'm waiting. Let me know if you guys do the same, and let me know what YouTubers you watch.
One eternity later.
So it's been over an hour and I finally got my first order of the day. Instacart, Data Brothers, and Walmart order for $19, 2 drop-offs. Not the best, but I need to get the day going. I don't want to be waiting in the parking lot forever for nothing. Oh. My back. Oh, my back. So we're here with the op, and she has a Spark story to tell us.
Hello, people. So I had a Spark order 2 miles away, $22 maybe. Parking lot was empty. I sit here. It says it's ready. It's not. So cars keep coming, people keep coming out bringing their groceries to them. 11 cars came, I counted, and still no one is coming for mine. And it was 35 minutes, and I was like, okay, no, I'm canceling it. And that's when I got that $50 order. It's like, deuces.
Damn.
It was so annoying. It was like, it's right there.
That's annoying.
Just give it to me. So these two are like in Carlsbad. They're kind of close, so.
Are you coming back? Are you working past 4?
I guess. Need moolah.
I'll see you. Jose. What's going on, man? What is up? How's your day going on Spark?
No pictures.
Pictures, all pictures on YouTube. What's going on? Tell us how the day's going.
No. I'm very upset today.
Very upset today?
Yeah. Nothing.
You got a $30 order though.
$30 in 7 hours.
Oh man. I can't get anything. Fridays are getting worse. How do you feel about Fridays now? I feel like Fridays have gotten worse every single week since I started.
The whole week is very bad, man. I'm thinking to do something else.
What else are you gonna do?
I don't know. I was thinking.
So I just ended up getting a Spark order. Finally, me and Jose were the only ones. There's actually a guy to my left who didn't get an order, and then Daniel, the guy next to Jose, who didn't get an order as well. So we were the lucky ones. My order is just one drop off, 5.6 miles. It's $23.52. I think it's worth it. So I'm gonna go ahead, put that trunk up as soon as I park, and yeah, finally a Spark order. Spark order loaded up, and I can't stop feeling bad for the two who didn't get an order. I'm glad that me and Jose both got an order, especially because that was Jose's last order for the day. But yeah, I think the other two just went to a different Walmart in hopes that they can get anything. I wonder how Walmart Spark chooses. Like, I don't think I'm doing better than they are whatsoever. So yeah, I wonder how it chooses who's gonna give an order to and who it's not gonna give an order to. Might be seniority. I mean, I've been doing it for longer than I've seen those two, and I think Jose has been doing it longer than I've been doing it. So yeah, let me know in the comments below if you know the reason why. Back at the Walmart, and I ended up getting another okay order, $21.41, 4.9 miles, 2 drop-offs, Walmart Spark. Is there a reason why people are buying minis? Like, I could drink a whole can. I don't even know if there's that much of a difference in price. I'm gonna have to check. But yeah, I don't know how I feel about these minis. Oof. What a fail. And while I'm waiting for my Spark order, look who shows up. Damn. Bro, what up, bro? You got another rental? Yeah. What up, bro? What's going on with your car, man?
Too much, homie.
Damn, bro.
Look at you. Out here hustling late on a Friday.
Yeah, I'm over it, man. This is my last one. Yeah, this is gonna be the last one.
Yeah, how'd it go?
Just hasn't been good. Hasn't been great.
Not at all?
Nah. Look at this car, bro.
It's kind of slick, huh?
It's not even that expensive either. You could probably buy a used one pretty cheap.
No, I gotta look.
Are you thinking about it?
Yeah, look into it for sure, because I can't keep, my car in the shop every other week.
Yo, your car's in the shop every other week,
not
bro.
Even like joking, huh? Not even.
I know.
I'm
Like,
damn, homie. Right when I start getting on a roll, catching up, getting ahead, my car goes down again.
Yeah, it's time to get rid of that.
Yeah.
It's yeah. That's
For sure.
It's trash. Yo, let me see that ring though. Damn.
That you know how it is when you have to be out here hustling and working. Sometimes fools be rolling up on you.
You got your order already? How much you order for? How much you order for? Point pickup.
Point pickup was alright though.
I know, you be making mad money off of it.
Decent.
Spark has been pretty bad.
I made more money on there last week than Spark.
More money off point pickup than Spark?
I made like 500 off of fucking Spark, and I made like almost 800.
Damn, you see that hustler? That's the hustling mentality right there. Damn. Walmart order picked up from Spark, and I had a question. Those who do Instacart or DoorDash or Grubhub shop and pay, do you guys use like Fetch or any of those other receipt apps. I've been thinking about using it. I have a buddy who uses it all the time, and he ends up getting a lot of points and ends up getting like Amazon cards for like 50 bucks or Visa cards and stuff like that. Let me know in the comments below if you think I should start doing that. If that's, yeah, I really want to do it, but you know, I want to see what the consensus is about it. Yeah, that's a lot of stuff. 102, 104, 103. All right, this is when we gotta get smart. I don't wanna do 3 trips, so see what we can do with this. Should be able to fit some stuff in here, right? Okay, let's see. There's this. Oh yeah. Hey, what's up, bro? Oh, okay. Let me get this going. And we're done for the day.